detected.
Nice, nice. We'll go tuck yourself in behind the islands, gents, if you can.
Engine boost deactivated.
Okay, yeesh, yeah, definitely get that radar going, my mate. Probably won't like me.
Ship is on fire. Concentrate fire on the enemy warship. Problem solved, sir. Concentrate fire on the designated target. Critical engine damage. Problem solved, sir. Attention. Clear target position. The ship is on fire. Engine boost activated. Concentrate fire on the enemy warship. Attention, support that target. Acknowledged.
Yeah, I'm gonna head over to BC. Let's do this. We'll go.
Roger.
Okay, everyone just chuck a left, guys.
Engine boost deactivated.
Let me thank you guys. Just wait.
Oh, it's just at the Chapio.
All stations, concentrate
Okay,
fire
yeah,
on the target.
Megami, please, gents.
Torpedoes, dead ahead. Engine boost activated. Torpedoes to starboard.
Okay, let's finish the Chapio, gents.
Torpedoes to starboard. Critical engine damage. Problem solved, sir. Concentrate fire on the enemy warship.
Okay, can we have a little bit of support for Ishwar's next? The Kutsov's going to come in hard on his right hand side. Oh, come on, let's do that Chapiev, gents. One good hit. Oh, lovely day. Yeah, she's gone. Don't waste any more shots on that. Yeah, well done.
Enemy battleship foundered.
Okay, we need to head back towards BA. Crazy game.
Engine boost deactivated.
Okay, there she shows.
Just.
Well, I do the Cossack. Well done. Well done. Ish. Fucking brilliant play, mate. Ah. Okay, let's see what's going on over there. Kutsov is an absolute must. Okay, my Shaq, you know what to do, mate. Get your shit out of there, mate. See if you can take him. It's just the Chapiev's radar. A bit should be dead.
Engine damage. Problem solved, sir.
Yeah, no.
Lovely, fucking great. Okay, the Fool, you're on C. DM, back to Bravo.
Cap A is clear. Prepared.
Actually, come to think of it,
Cap A.
just Cap A,
Just
yeah.
Cap A,
Just Cap A and
just Cap A
defense.
and defense.
Okay, DM, don't go after them. Please just, literally, if you don't mind, my mate, just park yourself right there. I can't double click.
Did I?
Got it all. Army, take that fucker. Unlucky.
Oh, nice game, by the way.
Just gotta survive, stay alive, gentlemen. Shit. Oh, we still win, don't panic. I'm saying me prayers. Okay, we just need to survive, gents. You can have both caps, one cap will win it. No, please don't. Shit. Lovely. That could kill him. Yeah, it's a win. It's a win. What a game. Okay, gents, that puts us into the next league. We are now in the Gale League. We can reap the rewards, and we've still got 1 hour to play. We're doing very well, gents. Oh, Taz is in. Okay.